There's some bee stuff going.
Killed 3 or 4 of them.
Yeah, they're killing everything I got. All right, you got these bees here, huh? All right, we're capturing bees. I missed it. I was gonna film it, but I was doing something. Here is a Langstroth.
No, that's a top bar beehive.
Yeah, top bar beehive. We just caught a swarm from out of there. There's another swarm. Have you messed with these already over here?
No, I sprayed them down with sugar water.
Why are they acting like that?
I sprayed them down with sugar water. That's it.
These bees are everywhere.
I haven't built all of my hives.
I
haven't built all the hives I wanted to build.
Yeah, we're missing good stuff. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of bees right there.
Well, I got them. I think I got them there. It's 3 times the size over there. On the other side.
What happened over here?
There's like 2 alive. The rest is ants got them.
This one's alive.
I said there's 2 of them that are alive.
This one and this one then. The one in the middle's done.
Yeah, that one's done. It looks good on the inside. I mean, on the top one.
Well, that's the best boxes right there. It was. I don't know if it is. I don't know.
No, this is one of my boxes. Pull that off.
I'm trying to get a better view. Yeah, bees all over me. I don't want to mash one of them in between you or something. That would hurt. Everybody a great view. I'm naked, so don't drop me yet. I'll eat my ass alive.
I'm just sugar watering them where they can't fly and they're content.
Yeah, I had to get up because I was sleeping and I had a dream. I heard a thud and I went to the front door and you had fell through the front door. You didn't have no shirt on, bee stings all over you. And you were just breathing funny. Then your pants and shoes, you fell out of your pants and shoes, so you're laying halfway in the door and halfway out naked and
halfway naked and afraid.
Halfway naked and afraid, dying from bees. Couldn't call my phone. I grabbed a what that thing is you stick in your leg?
EpiPen.
Yeah, I put a fucking EpiPen in you. Then I came out here.
There's enough. I can make 2 hives out of them. I'll just pull some brood out of one of these other ones.
Yep.
And I can make some hives.
Baby, I'm gonna set this up.
Give me a. Go to my apron and give me a chisel.
All right, I'm gonna set this up right here. And we can be able to capture it. These are in plum trees, by the way. And they're making plum honey. This will be out of your way right here, won't it?
Yeah.
Right. I'll set that there for a minute. Fixing to get that right.
Huh? Yeah. I'm fixing to do it.
There's gonna be more, dude.
I'm fixing to get some.
We need them to be in those kinds of hives.
What?
Them kind.
Yeah, give me some more. I know that's what they need.
Many as we have, because them long hives don't produce as much honey.
They produce more wax. move them once we get them back. We don't get them.
That was cool though.
I know. I need to get some. I need to get something from it.
Did you put a brood and wax in that other one?
What?
Did you put a brood and a wax in that other one or whatever?
No. I ain't got nothing but wax.
Well, one thing, there's enough bees in any one of these wads to kill somebody.
Well, these motherfuckers right here are pissed now, bees, so don't get near these.
I'm not.
Damn it.
Oh, that broke?
Yep.
Fuck. That lid broke. That lid's over 40 years old.
That's the only way it broke.
Yep. Some kind of plastic or something. It was off of one of Milton Autry's
Look at my smoker, will ya?
off
Watch out, I got pistol ones on me.
of Milton Autry's thing. Where is it?
Over there somewhere.
She's getting it. Yeah, I'm out here shirtless. I would be getting screwed. Getting some good footage though.
Don't
Here.
get near me.
They do bite me sometimes. There. Why is this sprayer just spraying honey all over this ground? Huh?
Huh?
That's spraying solid honey all over the ground.
Oh, this?
No, your sprayer spraying honey all over the place. Oh, shit. I'm getting eat up by bees for some reason. All of a sudden.
Because it's the ones from over here. These are mad. Them have nothing to protect.
Lovely. I'm going to be the one naked and afraid on my porch. Damn, that was a bad one right in my knee. I'm getting me a little bit of early morning bee sting therapy.
Why don't you stop it, Edward? God.
I don't know how to stop it. I told you I was doing it. Oh. Yep, that's a really hot venom that they got. My whole knee's swelling up. So these bees are gonna go in here. Let's see. Leave that there where y'all can see the capture. I don't think you become allergic to bees over time, do you? My damn knee swelled up twice inside it, just got stung. There's something falling out of the bottom of that one.
Sorry, bye.
wax. It's there's a wax frame, ain't there?
Yeah, probably.
You gonna put that one in the other hive?
One of them, this one don't have no. I need some with uncapped brood where they see it and they want to protect it and keep it alive instead of just leaving. You have caps on there, they won't care.
Alright, I have to leave a minute. Okay. Bee stuff is happening.
Oh, that one just had queen cells. That's probably the one that... Oh no, they haven't hatched yet. Oh wow, wait a minute.
There's babies in there then?
Oh man.
What's going on?
It's a queen cell. I can start a new hive just with that. Smart.
What?
Having this here, they made perfect combs because of it.
You put that there or I'll put that there?
You or whoever.
Yeah, it used to be smart. I was dealing with these bees and stuff, and it's been years since I messed with them. That's cool. It came out of there. Partially drawed out. Well, it's fully drawed out, it's just not full with anything. It will be. You're still gonna drop them big ones in there though, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop them right here.
Alright. I'm gonna set this up where everybody can see it.
Erica?
Alright, I'm gonna set it right there. We're at 13 minutes already. I'm gonna back up so I don't get killed. Hey, you need that fire ant stuff over here. I'm getting eating my ass up over here. They're everywhere, bro. It's gonna be heavy too when you do it.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa. Damn. You're getting eat up from way over here. That, children, is how you capture a beehive. They'll probably go in there and stay, won't they? They can get in and out of that, right? Which way is the face?
This way?
Look at this thing I just put on my belly. I got bit in my neck, my back, my belly. Alright, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. we're done with that, I'm gonna tear that other hive and get out of here. Oh shit. I hope they can hear it. Oh, there's more in there. Look, they're swarming back.
Yeah, they will.
Oh, they're all in my head, 50 of them. Shit. I'm out of here. Here's this one here, he's captured already. There was a big hive up here. This is a top bar hive from up there, and it looks like it was successful. They're doing their thing. Whoop, 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 whoop. They're getting me, they're getting me. I'm out, people. Stay tuned. Just trying to bring y'all a video on something that's going on here.